vanish, appear, change, and restore. These direct visual impacts have always been the most captivating moments in magic. Among them, restoration stands out as a powerful and classic theme of wonder. Today, TCC Magic, in collaboration with Didier Clément, is proud to present a pure experience of restoration. 2 red ropes, one long and one short, pass through a wooden box. Under the watchful eyes of the audience, the ropes are cut. The spectator is then asked to choose one. Incredibly, the chosen rope is instantly and miraculously restored. Everything happens right before their eyes and even in the spectator's own hands. It is direct, visual, and truly beautiful. Impossible Cut features an ingenious structural design. It is incredibly easy to learn with zero difficulty, allowing you to focus entirely on your performance. The set includes a complete kit of premium accessories. The box is meticulously crafted from high-quality North American black walnut. Size is refined and compact, offering a warm touch and exquisite grain. Whether for collection or performance, it perfectly showcases your professional attitude, allowing miracles to unfold right in the palm of your hand. Impossible Cut. Enjoy the wonder at your fingertips.